So as energy codes are becoming more and more stringent, every 3 years there's an energy code update that comes to the market, and this really challenges Kawneer to come up with innovative solutions around thermal technology. A lot of our R&D investing goes into understanding how thermal breaks can improve the performance of our products. So we're committed to introducing thermal breaks into curtain walls, storefronts, window walls, to make these products higher performing, achieve the design goals that architects need, while also lowering the total operational costs of the buildings. Kawneer is innovating in thermal technology really through our R&D departments to understand what new materials are available for thermal breaks, also looking at glazing, whether it's warm edge spacers or triple glazing, making sure our products are compatible with the glass of the future for those higher performance needs. We're also looking at how can we take our existing products, enhance them, make them perform better, but in a way that our customers are so familiar with utilizing them. They're able to really take the systems that they're used to using. We can enhance those through the thermal technology that's incorporated into them, and then we can apply those to buildings of the future.